Yeah, for sure. Track packing down as much of the snow as we can. And when we drive over it and track pack it, that knocks the air out of the snow. It helps it bond together and give it more structure and help it get firmer. And then with all these little ridges that we leave when we're track packing, when the wind's blowing and it's snowing, it grabs and catches more snow. It's a little bit of snow farming technique. So the hope is as it snows today and tonight, as all the stuff that we pack down gets filled back in. If we get another 8-10 inches, we can pack that on top of the stuff that we pack. Then that's going to give us a surface that we can probably groom and have turn out just a pretty decent ski in. If we can end up with 2 feet that's packed and consolidated, we can end up with a pretty decent little base to
storms predicted to roll back in right around.
at least that's my theory.
Then once it starts going pretty good.